Hello investors, welcome to your channel 360 Degree. Today we are going to talk about one of the most talked about and controversial stocks in the Indian telecom sector, Vodafone Idea Limited, also known as VI. Over the past few months, Vodafone Idea's share price has once again come into focus. The stock has shown noticeable strength and has been trading close to its 52-week high. This movement has attracted strong attention from retail investors as well as market participants who are closely tracking the company's future. Now, the big question is, why is this stock moving and what is driving investor interest? The biggest reason behind this renewed momentum is the expectation of relief on AGR dues. AGR, or Adjusted Gross Revenue, has been the single largest challenge for Vodafone Idea for many years. Because of these dues, the company has remained under heavy financial stress and has reported continuous losses. However, investors are now hopeful that the government or the courts may provide some form of relief, restructuring, or extended timeline, which could significantly improve the company's financial position. Another important factor is the rise in trading volume. Higher volumes indicate that not only small investors but also large and informed market participants are showing interest in the stock. From a technical perspective, Vodafone Idea has been under pressure for a long time, but it now appears to be forming a base, which is generally considered a positive sign. When a stock starts moving upward after a long consolidation, supported by strong volume, it often signals improving market confidence. Now let us take a deeper look at the fundamental position of Vodafone Idea. Vodafone Idea is one of the few telecom operators in India with a nationwide presence. Even today, the company serves millions of subscribers across the country. Despite this large user base, the company has struggled due to high debt, limited cash flow, and intense competition in the telecom sector. The Indian government has already supported the company by converting a portion of its dues into equity. As a result, the government has become one of the largest shareholders in Vodafone Idea. This development sent a strong message to the market that the company is unlikely to be allowed to fail completely. This brings us to a crucial question. Can Vodafone Idea actually make a comeback? If we look at the balance sheet, financial pressure is still clearly visible. However, the company is actively working to stabilize its operations. Cost optimization, network improvements, and better customer experience are key focus areas for the management. Now let us talk about the biggest future opportunity, 5G services. Fifth-generation telecom technology has the potential to transform the industry. Vodafone Idea has stated that it plans to roll out fifth-generation services in a phased manner. If the company executes its 5G strategy effectively and manages to retain and attract customers, it could lead to a meaningful improvement in revenues. But it is important to understand one thing clearly. 5G is an opportunity, not a guarantee of success. Rolling out 5G requires significant capital investment, and funding remains one of the biggest challenges for Vodafone Idea. Without sufficient financial support, scaling up operations will remain difficult.